Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As I said last month, I would do a July unboxing of the Boxy Charm that I get every month, and before the end of the month, so I think I'm maybe a week ahead of schedule, so that's good. So I got this literally the other day, and I'm going to open it and we're going to go through it. Box is a little bit bigger than before. As you remember, I had the smaller one, so it must be some bigger items in here, so let's get to it. Just gonna open it. Again, we have this card. Let's see what this month, it says Boxy Charm Fanta C, S-E-A. And then on the back, we're gonna have all the products in the box. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, last time I talked to you guys, I was telling you about my lips. I've had some allergic reactions to, I think, the sun, and my lips have gotten swelled. This is the third time it's happened, and so I've tried to cover it up, but you can still see up here, like, my lips will swell so big, like 2-3 times their size. And so it takes, after that happens, it takes 2 weeks to go down, so it is what it is, but it's so annoying is what it is. Okay, so here we go. See if I can have a little bubble sheet here, and then here are all the products. So I'm gonna start, I guess we'll go with this big blue thing. This is Gen Skin, and let's just open it. Generation Skin, so it's, I'm guessing it's a mask. Just let me see. Okay, so we got a little container, and yeah, I'm guessing it's a mask for, especially with this thing, putting some on here and then putting it under the eyes, maybe for dark circles, which I need. I'm not going to open this thing because it seems full, and so yeah, I'll have to try that out. So that is Gen Skin. Let's see how much that was. On the back here, it also tells the prices. $40, so that alone is $40. I've never used it, so I can't say much about that. Next thing we have here, Dermilette. I'm guessing it's like, okay, Out Crease Retinol Serum. So it must be in a bottle. Let's see. Okay, interesting. They've given me a lot of skin products in this, in these boxes since I signed up, and I only have 2 more boxes left. So after that, I don't think I'll reorder anything, but I'll give it a go, probably for around the eyes here. Now this thing, it is Outre 3, maybe leave-in conditioner for your hair, I'm guessing. Yeah, it has a spray tip. Let's see if it smells good. It smells like conditioner, so I'm guessing it's some sort of leave-in conditioner. Then that, let me get my glasses. Okay, so the Generation Skin, okay, I was wrong, I should have read it. It's $49, sorry, $49.99. And it's made with algae, so marine algae. Yummy. This thing here is $39, and yeah, for wrinkles and thick skin and sun damage. Who doesn't have that? And then this outer stuff is a CBD leave-in conditioner, $30. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, Basic Beauty. I'm not, it says lip oil. Okay, I could use that since my lips keep swelling up. Can't open it. There we go. Oh, it's got a see-through doe foot. There we go. Smells like coconut, or some sort of cashew coconut thing. So that's good. Maybe I'll use that on my lips and see what it does for me. This product is $18. So So I've never tried that either. And the last thing we have here, usually there's, you know, 4 or 5 products in here. Oh, a la Masqua. It's a luxury, it should be a eyeshadow palette. Let's see here. There, if you can see that. Let's open it. I've never used this name brand, so, oh, it feels very soft. I don't know how to explain it. It's a soft, not squishy, but soft, leathery type thing. There we go. And let me get this off so you can see the colors. It is an eyeshadow palette. There we go. I like those colors because I usually use, you know, the browns. They use that and then put that in the crease and that above and that maybe right here and around. And then you could put one of these, maybe that one, on top right here. So yeah, I'll have to use that. It's quite a heavy palette, so it feels luxurious. And then the covering also feels soft and luxurious, so I like it. I've never had that before, so that's neat. This is a company out of London, England, so this might be why I haven't had one chance to buy one of these before, but I'm happy with this box, this July box. So as I said before, I only have 2 more boxes coming, one in August, one in September, and then my contract will be over with them, with BoxyCharm, and I probably will not, because I just wanted to try it, but I have liked them so far, and yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys, because it's my monthly video that I do with BoxyCharm. And here's the card. Here. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much that a la Masqua thing was. Let me see. 50 bucks. So that eyeshadow palette was 50 bucks. So there you go. And the box each month cost me 25. So it was just something I wanted to do and try, because I've seen different boxes where you can get certain boxes a month. Like sometimes in the boxes are like gloves or scarves or hats or, you know, hair products or necklaces, earrings, stuff like that. But I'm really into makeup, so I didn't want any of that other stuff. Why buy it when you're not going to use it? I'm just saying. So yeah, anyway, now I have a lot of makeup and stuff that I should be using and doing more makeup videos. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I hope you're doing well, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.